Now, we don't always have access to the sound of the ocean. Hear the soothing sounds of the water. But if you have running water, you can just listen to it. Instead of rushing through brushing your teeth or taking a shower or even washing dishes, if you wash your dishes by hand, just listen to the sound of running water. Let that sound permeate through your body and you will find calm. And to help you in that calm vibe, check out the audiobook, 7 Daily Thoughts and Mantras for Mindfulness. There's also eBooks. Check them out at JackieBirdSpiritualWellness.com.